la venera, chiquitissima no porta, pero si respeta.
You aren't watching just anyone perform Aruba's national anthem here. Maybelline is a big part of how Aruba do Chitera came to be the island's anthem.
Where's the picture now? Padu. Here. This is the committee of the anthem in 1976.
So these 6 people
Decided.
on the national anthem of
Yes.
Aruba.
It was a unanimous decision from the committee to select a pre-existing song called Aruba do Chitera as the national anthem. It already had a beautiful melody and lyrics loved by many people. It was written and composed by Padu Lampa and Rufo Waver, who were also part of the committee. The original song was just a little short, so another committee member, Hubert Boy, wrote the 3rd verse.
Yes, you see me directing the choir, the youth choir.
Oh, let me see.
Maybelline was the only woman on the anthem selection committee. Present day, she is also the only one out of the 6 members who is still alive to share the experience firsthand.
It's me and Padu.
If you can't tell by the size of this collective book all about the national anthem, saying Maybelline was proud to be part of such a historic movement is an understatement.
La ceremonia oficial din ejizamiento de los gloriosa bandera. Ahora bandera llega top, el coro de Señora Maybelline Arends lo entona los glorioso himno Aruba du Chitera.
After Aruba do Chitera was selected, a big inauguration ceremony was scheduled to take place on March 18, 1976. Maybelline thought her role with the anthem was over after the selection process, but little did she know she'd have a much bigger part to play on this historical day.
2 days before the 16th, I get a phone call. Maybelline, Vivant Chantant, cannot sing anymore on the 18th. What the reason is, I don't know. So Betico called me on the phone. Maybelline, can you help us? Because they know I have a youth choir called Tutti Frutti, Coro Tutti Frutti, and asked me if I can sing the national anthem on the 18th with my choir. I said it will be a big honor, But then to reach in that time, you don't have the WhatsApp, you don't have the telephone like you have nowadays. You have the telephone that you need to dial with your fingers turning around. So I sat there by the phone calling about 14 of those members of my choir, the Tutti Frutti choir, and asking permission of the parents. And we trained with the orchestra under direction of Joy Cock. And so we became the official choir and the official orchestra on the 18th of March, 1976.
Her role with the national anthem and with the inauguration was a moment in time.
I'm very proud, and it's a big honor for me, because whenever the flag goes on top on the 18th, you know, I feel back the emotion of that day where I'm standing in the stadium and directing a choir without, you know, only 2 days of preparation. And later, that day I didn't feel it. It's later I realized it's historical what happened there. It's historical for Aruba that I had the honor to direct the choir for the inauguration of our national anthem. So it's
a moment.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. A moment I will never forget my whole life. And whenever it's 18 March, it fills me with a lot of emotion back.
Maybelline's love and devotion to the island can be seen maybe in the Aruba blue that she is wearing right now. But you can also just sense her energy.
And are you Aruban?
Aruban, yes. My parents too, both of them Aruban.
And you're born and raised here.
Born and raised here. I only went to Holland to study.
With March 18th coming up, what makes you proud to be Aruban? What do you love about Aruba?
So many things, you know, that Aruba is a blessed island and with lovely people, you know, and a lot of things happen in Aruba, and the people always, like we were raised always helping each other, you know, friendly to your neighbors, friendly to your friends, helping each other. And Aruba has achieved many things, you know, that by working hard and looking forward with visionary people. Dushitera nos barranca tan stima, nos amor papota sina grandi, kuntina dapa kibre, kuntina dapa kibre.